How to disconnect future activity on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to disconnect future activity on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it, and here click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down, and you're gonna find of Facebook activity, and here you're gonna find disconnect future activity. Click on it and you can turn off future of Facebook activity to keep in your future of Facebook activity saved with your account, and allows us to which is Facebook, to personalize your experience. Click on it and you can turn off or on wherever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.